Animals and their sounds name in English. Dog. Dog sound is bark. Cat. Cat sound is mew. Cow. Cow sound is moo. Goat. Goat sound is bleat. Tiger. Tiger sound is roar. Lion. Lion sound is roar. Elephant. Elephant sound is trumpet. Alligator. Alligator sound is bellow. Ape. Ape sound is giver. Bat. Bat sound is screech. Bee. Bee sound is buzz. Buffalo. Buffalo sound is grunt. Camel. Camel sound is grunt. Chicken. Chicken sound is cackle. Crow. Crow sound is caw. Duck. Duck sound is quack. Frog. Frog sound is croak. Giraffe. Giraffe sound is bleat. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus sound is growl. Horse. Horse sound is neigh. Leopard. Leopard sound is growl. Owl. Owl sound is scream. Panda. Panda sound is bleat. Penguin. Penguin sound is honk. Pig. Pig sound is grunt. Rabbit. Rabbit sound is squeak. Rat. Rat sound is squeak. Rooster. Rooster sound is crow. Sheep. Sheep sound is bleat. Wolf. Wolf sound is howl. Pigeon. Pigeon sound is caw. Hen. Hen sound is cluck. Jackal. Jackal sound is howl. Monkey. Monkey sound is giver. Donkey. Donkey sound is bray. Sparrow. Sparrow sound is twitter. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন এবং সেই সঙ্গে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল বাটনটি প্রেস করে নোটিফিকেশন অল করে দেবেন যাতে এরপরে নিউ ভিডিওগুলো আপলোড করলে তার নোটিফিকেশন আপনাদের কাছে পৌঁছে যায়।